In this tutorial, I will demonstrate a special case while processing online payment processing through moneris. Actually, I did not give any thought or to what I will tell, so just stay with me. I hope something useful information will go on. So, okay, what can be this special case? Let just I can show you some example here. So just etc.net testing moneris test2.php. Okay, www.just etc.net testing moneris test2.php. Okay, it may happen that you may want this is the payment processing. You will have all the information here, or the information to pass from here to moneris can be hidden. Actually, you may want to pass informations, everything like this: billing, first name, last name, shipping address, and item description, everything. And you may want to keep some information hidden, some open. I think you need to watch our first video, then you will understand what is the real case. And you can keep everything in hidden format, and maybe some information that you think should be open, you can keep open. So that's not the thing, but the thing is, what I will try here is we want the payment processing just in a special way when we'll be clicking on submit, or you can label the button as confirm order and pay. In that case, what will happen, if you want that after clicking the submit or confirm order and pay, the moneris payment processing window will come in a new pop-up, and after that all the payment processing will be done there. And while going to that pop-up window, this submit button will be disabled, and after coming from that payment verification, after payment verification is successful, actually this screen will go to the next step, and while going to the next step or at the next step, it will create the order in your database. Actually, while processing payment, you can create the order in your system before it goes to the payment collection or credit card verification. Or you can also do it, you can also create order in your system after payment has been verified, and then you come back to your system and you can create your order. I'm just considering the case when you want that your system will create order only when the payment information is collected and the credit card is verified, everything is right. After that, you will create order in your system, and you want to collect the payment in another window, in a separate pop-up window. I think still, if you don't want in a pop-up window, just watch this. Maybe something may be useful for your situation. So first, what it will happen here, when we click submit, a new window will come. It will collect credit card information and it will verify. And actually, after verification, the control will come to the same window, I mean the pop-up window, and it comes to a receipt.jsp or something, receipt.php, or any web page you want. In that web page, if you want, you can show the customer the receipt, or if you don't want to show the customer receipt or the stuff, you can just close that window internally by coding and come back to this window and submit this form automatically from the pop-up. I mean the child window. Submit this window and move it to the next step, so the order is created in your own database system. Actually, to implement this, what I have done, I have created two forms internally. One form has the submit button, I mean the confirm order and pay button. Another form does not have this, and two form will actually contain the same information, and second form is hidden. Even the submit button is hidden, or submit button is disabled. Submit button is removed from the second form, but they can replicate the same information, though the second form does not need the store related information, just like this, but it can definitely contain the information that will be required for creating the order in the next step, not for the information that will go to the moneris payment processing system. The first form will contain those information. If we just take a look in the source, we see this is the form name, initial form name. Okay, so it contains the store ID and the HPP key and the charge total, and all other information we can keep it here. Just like you can also create this version of the form in the first form. But what is the second form? Moneris to second form. In this scenario, it just contains the charge total, no store information. You can actually keep all the payment related information, not the store of payment, just installing order related information, customer information, item information, billing information, shipping information, whatever you want, you can keep it. And the thing is, the second form, it really does not have any submit button. I just removed it. You can also keep it hidden. Okay, I click on submit. So in a new window, it is going to the Moneris web page to collect the credit card information. If we take a look at here, so what is going on there? The submit button is disabled. I mean the confirm order and pay button can be disabled. How did we open it in a new window? So you see action, it is the Moneris section. It is post and target equals to new. So it is opening in a new window for target new. Actually in target equals to, you can provide some JavaScript code here, so that when the target window will open, you can also customize the appearance of the new window. You can determine the width and height and those kind of stuffs. Actually here it is opening in a separate tab. It is also possible to open it in a completely new window. Okay, what will happen here? I'm just giving the test username and a test credit card information and just a future credit card date. It is just a predefined test credit card as defined by Moneris, and the predefined verification code 099. If I click here process transaction, it will go to the Moneris, validate the information, and it will actually come back to receipt.jsp in my website or in your website or in your web page in the same window. And from there, what I will do, I will submit this form and take it to the next page. So what I can show you here, okay, maybe I can show you the Moneris store I have configured. Just I think it will help. Going to computer.justetc.net so that I can find out the URL for the demo store, and then I can just configure it for our purpose. Okay, I think something bad is going on over there. I am trying to do it from my memory. I think it should be ASQA, not this one. I think MPG. Yeah, demo user store 5 password. Okay, we can find out the store ID that we are using. Go to admin, and then the hosted config, and then search it. Okay, this is the one, maybe not. Okay, and this is the one. So I already configured it to receipt2.js PHP in my website, and in case of error it will be coming to error.php. I will get the response as a get. So I can rather show you the receipt.php. What is here? Okay, what I am telling from the receipt.php, actually this receipt.php will be displayed here. So this is a child window for this. So from child window we refer to the parent window as the opener in JavaScript. So what I am telling, in opener document, moneris2 is the second form name in the first window. I can just show you again. So this is the first form, this is the second form. So I'm just telling second form submit, and after submit close this current window, I mean the pop-up window or the child window. Actually all these things can be done with struts more effectively, I believe. So I'm not just going there, displaying how it goes here. So clicking on process transaction, it will be verified. This thing will get, that window gets closed, and then the first form submit is, from the first web page, second form is submitted, and that actually goes to the index-detail.php. If we want to test it, actually this was our first window. See the second window, moneris2, it refers to index-detail.php. After second form is submitted, it should go to the index-detail.php. So we saw that after payment processing we came to this page. That means the second form is submitted. And I think we could keep the order creation and the acknowledgement and the receipt display, all this code in this index-detail.php, or maybe we could rename it to acknowledge.php and refer to it, and in this acknowledge.php we could display the customer, the receipt, and the order confirmation number, the authentication code, everything. So this is what the tutorial is all about. If something is beneficial to you, that's really great to know. But good luck. Thanks. Bye.